Sometimes, you may enroll in a class and find it no longer fits your schedule, or you may wish to enroll in a different class section or time. That's no problem. Whatever your reason, it's important to know how to drop classes. If you want to drop a class, click the drop-down menu button in the top right-hand corner and select Drop. Check the boxes on the left-hand side of the class that you wish to drop, then click Drop Selected Classes. Finally, you'll need to select Finish Dropping, and you will be removed from the class. In this video, we learned how to drop a class. While we don't expect you to drop the class you just enrolled in, we think it's important for you to know for the future use. Congratulations! You've completed all of the advising and registration videos. Please utilize these videos as resources to help guide you through the registration process. And don't hesitate to reach out to your academic advisor for questions and support.
Welcome to UCCS.
We're excited you're joining our Mountain Lion family.
We wish you all the best on your academic journey. You're going to do great.